So what really matters more for getting a job? Your grades or your actual skills?
For years, a high CGPA seemed like the golden ticket, right? Well, things have definitely changed.
It turns out there's a huge misconception. Most students are still banking on their grades to land a job. But get this, employers see it completely differently. For them, CGPA is way down at number 10.
So what gives? This massive gap shows a huge shift in what companies are looking for.
It's all about what you can do and who you are. Projects and attitude, way more important.
And really, it boils down to soft skills, stuff that makes you a great teammate.
Exactly. Employers want people who get the bigger picture, who can connect their work to business goals.
This whole shift has a name, skills-based hiring. And it's not a trend, it's a revolution. Basically, companies want to see proof of what you can do, not just look at your degree.
And the impact of this? Oh, it's huge. Just look at this number.
It can grow the available talent pool by almost 16 times. That's a total game changer.
This approach helps tackle the infamous skills gap. You could have a degree and still lack key skills.
So the real question is, how do you show them you're the one that they should pick?
Enter the portfolio. A resume is just history. A portfolio is a live demo of your talent. It's your chance to provide cold, hard evidence. Show them your work, don't just tell them. So all this adds up to your true employability score. It's a mix of skills and presentation.
So what's the game plan? Here are 3 simple steps to prove your value to employers.
Now, your degree isn't useless. Think of it as your entry ticket. Your skills are how you win.
A degree gets you in the door, but it's your skills that are going to keep you in the room.